This poem was inspired by a simple experience. I was reading a book by Quincy Troop, which is almost called Snake Black Solo. And Haydn was playing on a classical radio station. And I noticed that I was simultaneously loving this really get down funky poem by Quincy, and at the same time, I was really loving what was on the radio, this Haydn thing. And I thought, whoa, I noticed that and decided I should write this poem. So this is called Reading Snake Black Solo, Listening to Haydn. Reading Snake Black Solo, listening to Haydn, digging them both as if Quincy Troop and Franz Joseph Haydn spoke the same language, the way Charlie Patton and Mozart speak the same language, and Shakespeare, Mingus, and Howlin' Wolf all speak the same language. There is no question. The Backdoor Man is universal as a Bach cantata, and Robert Johnson knows something Picasso knows, that E.E. Cummings knows, and Mungo Santamaria knows about what's lurking beneath the surface, which just shows you when you dig your way to the bottom, you're in deep.